Many people underestimate the true benefits of drinking lemon water, but there are compelling reasons to make it a daily habit. In this video, we'll delve into the key points that highlight why incorporating lemon water into your daily routine can be quite amazing. Reducing fatty liver. Lemon water contains phytonutrients that can potentially help reduce hepatic steatosis, which is the accumulation of fat in the liver. A fatty liver can be problematic for your health, but lemon water has the ability to dissolve fat in the liver. When combined with a low-fat diet or ketogenic diet, it can expedite this process, potentially reducing up to 50% of liver fat within just 14 days. Cholesterol regulation. Lemon water can aid in regulating cholesterol levels. If your liver and gallbladder are sluggish and not producing enough bile, excess cholesterol can accumulate. Lemon water can stimulate the flow of bile through the bile ducts, helping to remove some of the excess cholesterol in your system. Weight management. While lemon water doesn't directly cause weight loss, it can indirectly contribute to it. Studies on animals have shown that certain phytonutrients in lemon water can lower blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance, ultimately leading to lower insulin levels. Lowering insulin is a key factor in weight loss, as it enables fat cells to shrink. Anti-aging effects. Animal studies suggest that lemon water might have anti-aging effects. In a 5-week study, animals that consumed lemon water lived, on average, 3 weeks longer. While this may not seem significant, the cumulative impact over a lifetime could be substantial. Lemon water was also found to extend the life of the microbiome, the friendly bacteria in your gut. Anti-cancer properties. Lemon water may help inhibit cancer growth. Test tube studies have demonstrated that certain phytonutrients in lemon water can kill malignant cancer cells in the tongue, lungs, and colon. While it's not a cure for cancer, it's a potential preventive measure. Kidney stone prevention. Lemon water can help reduce the risk of developing kidney stones. The citrate in lemon juice binds with oxalates, which are a common component of kidney stones, specifically calcium oxalate stones. By increasing citrate levels in your body through lemon juice consumption, you can help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Vitamin C boost. Lemon water can provide a significant dose of vitamin C, which is crucial for your immune system, preventing gum bleeding, maintaining healthy veins, forming collagen, and protecting arteries from damage. However, it's important to use fresh lemons, as bottled lemon juice is often pasteurized and lacks the full vitamin C content. Phytonutrient benefits. Lemon water contains various phytonutrients with multiple health benefits. These phytonutrients can improve conditions like hemorrhoids, leg sores, circulation issues, spider veins, and varicose veins. Additionally, one of the phytonutrients in lemons, naringenin, is being researched for its potential in Alzheimer's disease treatment. Lemon water also possesses antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. To reap these benefits, consider adding lemon to your water regularly. You can use the juice of a whole lemon or just a couple of teaspoons. Consistency is key, so make it a part of your daily liquid intake. Combining lemon water with apple cider vinegar can also be a potent health-boosting concoction.